everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica. Today I have my project polish update for you, and I still don't have any rollouts, which is kind of crazy pants. Like, I want this to be an exciting update and it's just not, but I'm going to go over everything just because I have been using everything, just the progress is not showing. Like, you guys see my nails all the time. I always have polish on my nails. I don't know what's going on. So I think I've used every single, yes, I have every single polish that I have in. I've used it since the last update. And some of these, it just doesn't even look like it. So this one, I think it's called Love Me from e.l.f. And I couldn't put a new line on this one. So, and part of it is I draw wonky lines. And I was at the top of this line, and now like I'm at the bottom of this portion of the line. I always draw crooked. That's just me. Same with this blue one from Artmatic. I actually have that on my fingers now. I have it like on my ring fingers and my thumbs. And I think I'm going to put it on my toes tomorrow when I do my pedicure. So yeah, I can't draw a new line. Look, I can't even keep those straight. I'm a mess. So like I was at the top of the line, now I'm at the bottom of the line. I'm using it. It is what it is. Same with the, I think it's called To the Moon from Hansen. It's so old. You can see my lines here. I'm at like the bottom of this little red line there. I use this frequently. I've used it as a topper. I've used it like for accent nails. Very slow going. All right. The one I have on my nails today, was hoping I could get it done, but it didn't happen. So on 3 of the 5 on each hand is this little no-name whatever, and you can see I've definitely, you know, used it even with my wonky lines. I'm at the bottom line here now. You can see where I was and where I am. Hopefully I can get that one done by the next update. I was really hoping it would be this time, but it just didn't happen. All right, another one I use frequently. This one is another one from Artmatic. I did get to put a new line on, so I was here, now I'm here. Again, not amazing, but hey, we're making progress, we're making lines. That's all we can ask for. All right. I don't think I have a new line on this one, but you probably can't see. I was way at the top of this one. Now I probably could have done a new line on this one from Artmatic, but I didn't do it. I could have. I think we'll have a new line next time. All right. The red from Revlon. This one is Cherries in the Snow. It is so low. I didn't even put a new line because it is so low on here. I think I did an accent nail with this one. I can't use this anymore, but I know there's product in here, so I'm probably going to mix it in with a couple of other polishes. I'll show you when I'm all done going over everything that what I'm going to mix it in with. All right. This one, Till We Meet Again, Sephora by OPI. I've got a new line. So I was here, now I'm at the purple, and I'm making progress. It's getting more narrow, so I'm hopeful that one's going to be done this year. This one I actually had on the mani before this one. It is, I believe, Jingle All the Way. Holiday Jingle. I know it was something like that. And this is Clean Color. And where's my lines? There they are. I do have a new line on this one, so I was here, now I'm at the purple. Not the most amazing new line, but it is a new line. I will take it. And then we've got the Saturn. This one is from Avon. And I was able to do a new line from here to here. And this one is one I might be frankening. Not that I don't like it, but it has been frankened already. And it's lighter than it used to be, and I actually preferred it slightly darker. So I think I'm going to put some of this red in here. Crack this baby open. And you can see it's definitely, like, there's product on the brush, if it will focus, but it's getting thicker. You see how it does that string? And it's not pleasant to use, but I I like it and I want to use it all up. So I think I'm going to put a little bit of what's left in here, and then probably I'm going to put a little bit left in this neutral. Not a ton in here because I don't want to change it too much. Just make it a little bit more berry toned, I think. It will do that. It's going to be on a Franken Friday. You guys know that. And then I can get this used up. And I'm hoping for more of a raspberry color if I put the red and the purple together, because I'm getting kind of bored with some of the things that I have, but I want to get them used up at the same time. I'm not bored with everything, but I realize that I don't have any true summer colors in here, and that makes me kind of sad. So I feel like if I can get something used up, then, you know, I can maybe roll another color in so I can have something fun for summer. That would be ideal. And since this isn't technically usable anymore, once I put it into the Frankens, I'm going to call this one done, because most people, I'm not most people, but most people would say, if you can't use it anymore, just, you know, call it done. But I do want to get what I can out of there. Some of you guys understand that, some of you don't. I know I'm weird, I just do me, and I can only be myself, and that's just the way it is. But I think we're going to Franken and have that one done for the next update. And then I will be with less. So I have, let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That'll put me down to 9. And I'm hoping with changing these up a little bit, I'll be more excited to work on them and maybe bring in a real summer color for next update. Or I could put them in other things. No, I want to put it in this one. I will find something to bring in for the next update to make it a little bit more fun for both me and you. All right, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. I will have the original Project Polish creator, which is Pretty Pistol 86. I don't think she films anymore. She did come back briefly, but I haven't seen anything from her in a very long time. So, you know, maybe she still has her stuff up, maybe not. But I'm going to link her down below since she did create this. And I want to give credit where credit is due. And that is my not so fabulous update. I know there's tons of people that still do this project, and I follow a lot of them. So if you're doing it, because I'm a polish girl, let me know down in the comments so I can go check out your updates. And I guess that is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.